Game. Have you ever? Present perfect. Guess the missing word of the following questions. Have you ever visited Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever taken 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever known a famous star? Have you ever done exercises at the beach? Have you ever been skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever drunk tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you ever studied English before? Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever made tacos at home? Have you ever stayed over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever visited the Great Wall of China? Have you ever had an iPhone before? Have you ever swum with dolphins before? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever been stayed asleep on your laptop?